Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photograph on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape and photo. Select the stroke button. Adjust the color green. Duplicate the form. Select the color filter. Change the color of form. Select another color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.